Most important overall DevOps interview. If interviewer is strict, if you have less time, master these topics first. Number 1. Git. Merge versus rebase, pull versus push, merge conflicts, and cherry pick command. Number 2. Jenkins. Pipelines and Jenkins files. Number 3. Docker. Docker file, Docker volumes, Docker versus virtual machine difference. Number 4. Kubernetes. Pods, services, deployment objects, and Kubernetes architecture. Number 5. Terraform. Terraform statefile and Terraform modules. Number 6. Linux. Permissions, process management, important commands. Number 7. Shell scripting. Conditions plus loops and real-time automation scripts. Mostly asking real-time automation scripts.